The top U.S. auto regulator opened a special investigation after a Tesla using an automated driving feature slammed into a Texas home and killed a 76-year-old woman. NHTSA said the special investigation involves a Tesla Model 3 crash Friday near Houston. A police report identified the woman killed as Martha Avila, who was standing inside the house when the car hit. The driver told the Harris County Sheriff's Office he was using the technology, but AP reports it is not clear what role, if any, it played in the crash. The police report said the driver was not drunk and is cooperating with authorities. Video obtained by KCHOU TV showed the car traveling at top speed over a front lawn before ramming into a front room. The footage showed the car encased in the home amid crumbling plaster, split beams, and pieces of furniture. AP describes the probe as significant because it involves technology Elon Musk considers central to Tesla's future. Tesla is rolling out robotaxis using automated software in several U.S. cities this year and plans to let owners put cars into the same fleet. Tesla did not immediately respond to AP's request for comment. NHTSA has launched several investigations into Tesla, including one into 58 incidents involving self-driving technology and traffic law violations. AP reports the 58-incident investigation involved more than a dozen crashes and fires and nearly 24 injuries. A few months earlier, NHTSA opened an investigation into why Tesla apparently had not reported crashes promptly as required. Agency records show NHTSA has opened 46 special crash investigations involving Teslas using self-driving or driver assistance technology over the past decade. In more than a dozen of those special crash investigations, at least one person was killed. The central caution is that the driver reported using the feature, but investigators have not determined what role the technology played. The investigation matters beyond one crash because automated driving software is tied to Tesla's robotaxi strategy. The strongest visuals are Tesla vehicles, NHTSA graphics, a Texas map, suburban street footage, and neutral investigation imagery. The next major development is what NHTSA finds about the crash, the vehicle data, and the automated feature's role. The takeaway is that a fatal crash inside a Texas home has opened a federal probe at the same time Tesla is expanding automated driving and robotaxi plans.